Metropolia University of Life Sciences in Leppävaara, Espoo. Let's test one because camera has problems and this elevator is busy. Sometimes used in price transport between 1565 metros, so 630 kilometers. This place is going to close down in Friday or Monday. It's in bad condition and old part has just Canadian series modernized by generic, expected by Schindler. This has okay, let's take the other road. This place might have also another elevator. But the old part has, I think old part has just one elevator. And I think also this part probably does. So this is not so nice place to film elevators. This has stainless steel cap and bad doors. Not so interesting, but it's still EuroLifts. Take it at that far. That's